gentlemen, thank you for tuning in again. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, I'm gonna rush this video. I thought baby girl they are daddy's girl. Sometimes whenever I'm doing my video, she's not daddy girl. When I'm not doing my video, she's daddy's girl. Why is it like that? I'm not getting it, you know. Welcome back again, guys. We are going to be doing this quick makeup, just quick makeup, okay? In case you want to go for marriage, brother, any kind of occasion you want to go for, this very makeup is a good idea for any kind of occasion that you wish to go for, bridal, for baby shower, for traditional, for anything, for party, okay? Just stay tuned and watch. As you are watching, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share and like. You can see this YouTube, we need to grow it. As a mother having little baby, but at the same time I still have the time to do my things, so that is it. this is the finishing look of this very beautiful makeup, and I believe you like it. So just so simple, so just an easy look. And yeah, I believe this color is one of the most used makeup, mostly on wedding, bridal makeup, traditional makeup, baby shower, birthday, hot party, and celebrity makeup. One of the most gorgeous makeup. Yeah, and in case you like it, oh my god. And yeah, that is it, in case you like it. But one of these liner is more bold than this. You know, when you have babies, something like this must surely happen. And mostly when your baby is like the one with Serena, that she's mommy baby. Now she's down, she's just with daddy, and they are just eating some of those oh my god, things that I won't allow them to eat for I'm not doing video. When I'm doing video, I can bribe them with anything bribable for them to eat, just to do my video in peace. She's eating her fruits, which is homogeneous. Thank you for watching this video, and I believe you love and you learn one thing from it, even if it's just to apply this easy makeup. You can hear her voice. So guys, thank you for watching, and I appreciate. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like. Christmas Day makeup.